Hey guys, and welcome to a new vlog. So today it is Sunday the 29th of August and Tommy and I are going to Maroochydore. We're going to get the last bits and bobs for the van, probably like pots and pans and just like little things that you don't think of that you need. And then we want to go to the Botanical Gardens here in Noosa because we still haven't been there. Or else, there was something else. Oh yeah, we want to go to the market, so we're going to head to the markets in Noosa. It's almost 9 o'clock, so I hope we have time. I just made a lovely pancake breakfast. I didn't film it, sorry, because I was a bit stressed, but banana pancakes, that's the breakfast. And this is my outfit for today because it's got to be comfy. These jeans, pretty little thing. Hey, the whole outfit's pretty little thing. It's kind of a gloomy day. He made me a beautiful avocado toast. Rainy days, market queues.
Further up and walk back down.
This is the farmer's market. So we just got done at the market. It was such a cute little market, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We got to try so many like local grown things. We got some nice teas and we tried
Blue Lotus
latte, which was so tasty, and lots of teas. But yeah, we only ended up buying some strawberries for $250, which was so cheap, and I got some raspberries as well. Now we're gonna make our way to Maroochydore.
That's the capital of the Sunshine Coast that we live on. We're gonna go find some stuff for the van.
Yeah.
More stuff for the road because it's only gonna be 2-3 weeks until we're on the road.
Tommy's. Yum yum yum. And we got some boost.
Mushroom.
We got some banana bread.
Yeah.
We found a blender.
And we're also going to use this top tip to stop stuff sliding around in the back.
Yeah, that's a universal.
Karaoke,
tell me.
Thank God bless the broken road.
So we just parked up here. We're at the Botanical Gardens in Noosa. So we're not sure if they're going to be any good or anything to see, but we thought we'd check it out while we're out and about. Our shopping trip wasn't so successful. We got a few things. We got like a blender, we got some bags like for shopping. We got some like net hanging bag. No. We got some net bags to hang in the van to put like fruit and veg in. And I got this top. Thought it was quite cute from something. What is it called? United? No. And Tommy got these pants. They're really nice. It's from Universal Store. Oh, that's you and me.
Whoa.
Proud of that. The kookaburra and the little bird of friends. These look like you can eat them, but I'm not going to eat it because we're in Australia and it could be deadly, it could be anything. You never know. Hey guys, so today it is Tommy and I's anniversary. Sounds so weird to say. But today we have known each other for a year, which is crazy to think. We haven't got like a set date when we started dating, so we're just saying from the first time we had an actual proper conversation and we went on a trip together with our friends, which was 1 year ago now, the 30th of September, which is just crazy to think how time flies. So of course we want to celebrate this, so we're going to go out for some dinner. Sorry about my messy room. We just both been working today and stuff. But we're going to go to Bistro C again because we went there like a month ago or so, and we really loved it there. Highly recommend if you want to go to like a nice restaurant. It's got like the view over the ocean, so it's really nice for sunset. It's right on the beach. But yeah, if you want to go to a nicer place that's not like super expensive. It is expensive, but it's not like out of this world pricey, you know. That's where we're gonna go today, which is nice. And I've actually got PMS at the moment and my hard drive isn't working, and I had like a pretty much finished video that was supposed to go up tonight, and now it's not looking so bright for that. And yeah, so it feels a bit annoying. And my neighbor just saw me. Yeah, so now I'm gonna try one more time to see if my hard drive will show up on my laptop. I guess the worst thing that can happen is that I have to re-edit it, which isn't the whole world. I'm just doing a quick makeup look. We have our table for 5:30 tonight. What's the time? And it, oh my god, it's already 9 minutes past. So we're gonna have to hurry up. This is my top that I got yesterday, by the way. I'm sorry we didn't end up vlogging that much yesterday. I can show you the things I bought at another time. Okay, I'm gonna switch this off because I'm stressed. Got the cheesecake.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, love it. These are the beautiful flowers Tommy got for me. Hello. I'm going to show you what Tommy and Tony have done with the solar panels on the roof. This is what Tommy's been fixing this week. Tommy and Tony. Tony's been helping us so much. We've got two 110 watt solar panels on the roof, and then that is the hole there that goes through so we can connect it to the power or whatever. So we now have solar, which is amazing, but there was a little bump in the road because yesterday Tommy took it to the mechanic. We've had all of the little bits and bobs fixed that needed to be fixed, but now the last thing was just to fix the diff, which I don't know anything about. But apparently either we can do a cheap job, but then it's like we risk breaking down in the middle of nowhere, or we can pay up to $3,000 and get it properly redone.
Yeah. So that kind of sucks. I was talking to the guy like, yeah, but do we need to do it though? And he was like, yeah. If it messes up, then your back wheel's gonna lock while you're driving.
Fun. But then we spoke to Tony, and apparently there's like a loophole around it. We can buy like a second-hand diff,
which is like way cheaper.
What's left to do solar-wise? It's just like plugging everything together.
Today we're gonna do all the wire conduit, which is like basically stuff to protect the wire. So like just in case Becca's throwing like plates at me one day, and then one of them knocks into the wire, and the whole thing goes.
Yeah.
We need to protect the wire. So hooking everything up, putting it in, drilling holes, putting stuff in the holes. It's gonna be fun. And then we're gonna be able to go wherever we want.
Yay! And I updated you guys the other morning that I was thinking about ordering the colouring for the curtains. And I figured the material we have is probably synthetic, so I went for the Rit Dye More colour in sandstone because they didn't have a camel colour that we wanted. But yeah, we're gonna try the sandstone colour, and then if we don't like it, then there's that chocolate brown one we can order. We'll see what happens. We're doing a haircut. As you saw in a few vlogs ago, he did cut my hair, but it's grown again, and it's at this awkward stage, so I'm gonna trust him to cut my hair. I'm nervous.
So we want it to your shoulder, or?
Just above the shoulder. But stop a little bit longer.
It's actually much easier when it's wet.
We could have gone to the markets today.
So it's tomorrow.
It's Saturday today.
Oh yeah, we still can. You got some seriously knotty hair. You should have combed it before.
I did.
That was combed?
Yeah.
Oh, you got some rat's tail.
Hey. Have I've never seen you brush your hair.
I don't.
Oh my god.
You haven't seen it when I brush it. It goes like 3 times
I want to see that.
Okay, I think when you dry that's going to be like just over shoulder length.
Let me have an inspection. I'm going to cut my fringe. I have to see how it looks when it dries. I'm going to do my fringe. And basically, all I do is like cut it from the bottom and up. Or like, actually no, start from the top and make it like that. I still kind of want to have it so I can have it behind my ears if I want. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. What's the difference even? Is there a difference? Oh okay. That's made a difference, that's for sure. So I'm gonna leave it at that. So that's the one I've done. And this is the one I haven't done. Not that big of a difference. So now they look like this. Do they look the same? I don't know. I think I've done it. I mean, you can't really see much, but it's like when I have a ponytail, I guess it kind of frames the face. I don't know. I really don't know. What is that even? Wispy bangs. That'll do. And then that's the length in the back. What do we think? Is it uneven? I don't know. We're at the Eumundi market. It's our first time here. So much street food. Oh my god. Yum. Feels like I'm back in Sweden. Yes. Thank you. With the garlic, sour cream and cheese langos. This is the langos, and yeah, I'm not vegan today, I'm sorry guys, but this is just so good. It takes me back to home. And Tommy got some donuts.
Check those out.
Mini donuts.
They're really warm.
We're looking at skateboards. I like this one. And they have the bigger ones. Tommy's looking at. Do you want to hold my hand?
No.
We just went into Sideways and decided to buy some skateboards because we wanted skateboards for so long, and I used to skateboard with Amy all the time when I was like 14. So we found these skateboards from Sideways, and they were like $99 each, which is pretty cheap. So we're just having a little skate around before Tommy has to leave, and I got this one. So here's a montage. Watch me fail. No, watch me succeed. That was fun. Hope you enjoyed that little montage.
Found a circuit.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Tommy just plugged into the solar power that he's finally fixed with the solars up there I showed you it the other day, and now we plugged all the cables in and stuff yesterday, or Tommy and Tony did. So now I'm actually charging my phone off the solar panel. How cool is that? And we're gonna go for a morning skate. We're gonna go down to the lake because I think there's a really nice walk path there, unless there's lots of people. Got some brekkie in the fridge. We're all like technically set up with the solar and the power now, which feels so good. And now we're gonna head for a little skate before I need to go to work. Breakfast time. That was a fun little skate, wasn't it? It got really hot and sweaty. You can feel it's like spring now. It's a good little workout. And now we're
Yeah.
sitting here by the lake, no, the river, and we're gonna have some breakfast. And the sun is out. It's a nice day.
You're gonna take a swim
And
in the river with the sharks.
Yeah, I kind of want to swim. Look how nice and clear the water looks. And there's stairs here for a reason.
This is the sharkiest bit of Noosa.
Is it? Is it though? I've never seen a shark. But I just want to get in where I can see the bottom.
Dun 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 dun. Yeah, you'll probably be alright.
It'll be mainly strobs for breakfast. They're kind of not ready yet.
Yeah, they're all not ready. It's
It's
gonna be
hot.
one day.
We need to go soon.
Hopefully
Otherwise
it won't
we're gonna
take too long.
boil. So what's left on the van now is basically just like the surf mounts, and Tommy thinks he and Tony are gonna make their own because it's hard to find one that kind of fits on the high top van that we have.
Yeah, it's like fiberglass at the top, so you know we've already made it like Swiss cheese. Like there's just so many holes in it. It's crazy. We need to do like a fuel mount and a water mount inside as well. So like we can just have space for everything because we're going to run out of room so
Yeah.
quickly inside there.
Yeah.
So surfboard on the side. Like I'm even thinking about skateboard mount on the back. Like
It'll be good.
who knows, like we're going to need to save as much space as possible, so it might be a fully kitted out van on the inside and the outside,
Yeah.
but we're thinking about small things today, like just hooks for like bags of fruit. So like this sort of bag.
Yeah, these are the bags we bought when we went shopping, but I didn't get to show you guys.
So they can like have the bananas and all the different fruits in there.
Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry if this video was a little bit all over the place. In the next video you'll see more updates on the van. We'll do a little bit more adventuring as well around Noosa. And yeah, we're getting ready to leave basically. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I always love reading your comments. They always make my day. So thank you so much for that. And don't forget to follow my socials if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.